Hello, this is Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks. I'm back from my holiday now, and it's time to unbox a few cases and give you some first impressions on them. Now, please do excuse my hands. I had an accident with a tube of superglue last night and have superglue all over my hands despite many hours of scrubbing and trying to get it off. Okay, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. That way you'll be notified of whenever we unbox or review or even just do some first impressions of products. So, today we are unboxing the JASBON case for the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. This is a case which is available to purchase on Amazon in the UK and many other countries, and it's a high quality product which has some pretty good protection and some really good reviews from other Amazon users who have purchased this item. So let's unbox this. There's a little plastic tab, as you can see at the top here. I'm just peeling that off very carefully. So the case comes with a 12-month warranty. It is using environmentally friendly silicone, which is recyclable, which is good. And it provides some good protection, as I said. The cardboard packaging on the inside contains the case in a plastic bag. And the case itself, as you can see, has a nice cutout for the square camera module. This is something that Huawei have been doing for over a year now. And on the front, you'll see there is a smart panel. This is a flip cover that covers the front of the device as well as the back. I've just taken out the styrofoam filling. Let's put my Huawei Mate 20 Pro, which I'm still using, into this case, and it clips in quite simply. It's a very nice tight fit, and as you can see at the top here, there is a cutout for the infrared port as well as for the microphone, and at the bottom there's no cutout, there's just the edges holding it, so you have free access to the SIM card tray, the microphone and the USB Type-C port. No cutouts on the sides either, you get direct access to the real device buttons. And on the back, as you can see, the camera module is left open, but it's slightly higher than the camera bump, so putting it down on a flat surface will protect the camera module. On the front, there is a smart cover, and as you can see, the case is recognized by the MUI operating system, and that allows you to get notifications on your case without having to open the flip cover. First impressions are that this is quite a sturdy case. It provides nice cushioning for the corners. It has a nice little amount of space between the corners and the actual edge of the device, so that should provide good protection without impairing your access to the USB Type-C port. So if you're using any third-party USB cables, this should not have an issue if they're slightly wider ones. And I quite like the feature of having my notifications there, and the smart unlock is recognized. Now, there is no magnet in the case, it's not being held closed by the magnet, but the rigidity of the hinge of the case, which is the case material itself, keeps the case closed, as you can see. I let go and it closes the case. And there's also another protective layer on the inside here. Let's take that off. Apologies to those of you who prefer to see plastic covers left on devices for the life of the product, but in this case I've decided to take it off to give you the best view of this. Apparently I've only done one step. You can tell that my device was sitting charging overnight in preparation for this. So this is the review of the JASBON case. This is a fully smart case for the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. That's the 2018 model. And I quite like it. I think I'm going to leave this on for a few weeks and see how I get on. If you're interested in purchasing this JASBON case for the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, I'll have the Amazon link in the description, and you'll also be able to see other links to our social media and website. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. We always do our best to keep in touch with our subscribers, especially if they like and comment on our videos. So thanks for watching this quick unboxing and first impressions of the JASBON case for the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.